Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be doing more of Git commands. Git commands. Git cherry pick commit ID is for merging specific commits. Git clean removes any untracked file from the working tree. And git clean-n which shows what files would have been removed. Git clean-f forcefully removes these untracked files from the working tree. Git rm removes files from the index or the working area. Git stash takes a backup is to take a backup. Git stash apply resumes the work in progress for the most recent backup. Git stash apply stash at curly bracket 0 curly brackets resumes the work in progress for the first backup. Git stash apply stash at curly brackets 5 resumes the work in progress for the sixth backup. Git stash apply at stash 0 git stash drop stash at curly bracket 0, it will delete a backup. Git stash pop stash at dash 1 curly brackets 1, it will apply and drop a backup 1. Git stash pop, it will apply and drop backup 1. And git create git tag name create a new tag. Git tag dash d tag name delete a tag. Now let's go ahead and practice this in mobile XTerm by understanding these branching strategies. Now let's go ahead and practice this in mobile XTerm. Now that we have mobile XTerm open, what we're gonna do is clear our screen and go and see what our first command is. Our first command is git cherry pick commit ID. This is useful for merging specific commits that we have from one branch to another. Like let's say, what branch are we in? Git branch. We are now in the development branch. Let's do git log. And how many logs do we have in the development branch? We can see that this specific branch would not be visible in the master branch. Let's do git branch, git switch master. Now that we small case master. Now that we switch to the master branch, let's check our logs. Git log. And you can see our first one here, work complete, is not in the log from the master branch. So what we can do is do the git cherry pick. But git cherry dot pick dash pick, and then the commit ID, which is here. Copy everything. We'll paste it here, and we specify which branch. Master. Right, I wrote cherry pick instead of cherry pick. Paste it. Maybe I don't need to write branch. Paste it. Or maybe I need to switch back to the development branch. Right, development spelled wrong. Now we switch back to the development branch. Let's do cherry pick master. Cherry pick was already in progress and I failed. So let's switch back to the master branch to see if it worked. Git log. Work complete is here. So our work complete commits from the development branch. Work complete is now in our master branch. So guys, what we did was correct, but because I was switching between branches, I disrupted the work in progress. However, it still managed to complete the work before it could be completely disrupted, which is a good sign. Now let's do our next command, which is the git clean. Git clean is one command that we cannot do. It's because we need to either do git clean -n or -f or -i. Now let's do git clean -n. It will show us the things that it would have deleted. Touch not useful .txt, not useful 1.txt, not useful 2.txt. Now let's do get status, and we can see it's in our working area because it's red. Now let's do git clean -n. It will say it would remove not useful -1 and 2. Now let's do -f to forcefully remove them because we don't really need them, as it's in the name. It's not useful. Let's do -f, and it's removed. We can do git status to check if it's really removed. On branch master, currently using cherry pick. Let's do all conflicts fixed. Run git cherry pick -- continue. Paste. Nothing to commit. Our working tree is complete. If the previous cherry pick is now empty due to specific. If you wish to commit it anyway, do git commit allow empty. Now we've committed. Let's do shift CZ, and let's see our next one, which is git rm. Git rm is like the git cherry pick command. Yeah, it's like the git clean command, except it's a more simplified way. Now next up is git stash. Git stash is for continuing the work in progress that you have. Let's say I have a work in the staging area, and I do a backup using the git stash. I do git stash, which creates a backup of what I have, and if I committed it, I can do git stash apply to work in the backup. Yeah, to change the backup, and if I don't need it anymore, I can do git stash drop. Then we have our tags. Git tag, then tag name. What's our tag name? Our tag name is, let's call it Sony. We created a tag. Now if we want to delete it, we can do git tag -d and a tag name, which is Sony. Now the tag has been deleted. Let's check if we have any more commands. No, that's it. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.